Intro time! Hello! Welcome back to another video where I do a fall related makeup look because it's fall. Everyone's been so excited for fall. This is me doing it. Let's do it! So as usual, I'm gonna start with my face, then do my eyes, because why would I do it the other way? I'm gonna use the FENTY Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer. I can't tell if this is stopping the makeup setting into my lines or if it's the fact that I'm putting face oil on again. I can't tell, but regardless, I'm liking it. We're gonna move on and do something else because that's how makeup works. Foundation. The Perf 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation and the L'Oreal Infallable 24-hour wear combination. It's just really nice right now and I like it a lot. So I'm gonna do that. I've got LG3 445 and we're just gonna mesh them together. Hopefully find a shade that works for my face. So Jez is currently streaming right now and he's very noisy. I'm hoping that it doesn't come through the audio. I mean, you might be able to catch some highlights if it does come through. Does that match? Do you think that matches? I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna conceal a little bit. Conceal is one of the best parts because when you think that you've already got too much product on your face, your only option is really to just add a little bit more of the same stuff but thicker. I'm gonna go back in with this teeny weeny NARS. I think it's an illuminating concealer. It's a tester and I love it. More or less because it's super tiny and I love how cute it is. This is definitely one of my favorite concealers. It just smooths out so nicely on the skin. I'm gonna chisel my nose a little bit with the FENTY Matchstick in Amber. I need to set this. Given it's fall, I feel like I probably don't need to set my face as much. It's supposedly drier and I'll sweat less. I'm gonna take the Hourglass translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, which is probably gonna be a lot. Given it's fall, and this whole video is basically dedicated to this season, it's the month just before winter. And in my opinion, winter sucks. And everyone likes pumpkin spice lattes. Why? In Australia, pumpkin is a vegetable on your dinner plate, not pie or a drink. So I really just don't understand it. It feels like someone's tricking me to eat dinner for dessert. All I'm saying is I'm trying to learn to love fall. Ooh, let's bronze. I'm going to bronze the face with my Jouer bronzer. This always flaps open. This is like a really loose. I start with a lighter shade and then I'm gonna with the darker one. All this talk of fall and the sweet pumpkin and lattes. I've never tried a pumpkin spice latte, so I probably shouldn't judge. I'm gonna order a pumpkin spice latte. I've only had 3 cups of coffee today. May have just gone a little overboard with the bronzing. I know it's fall and like I probably shouldn't look super bronzed. I like it. This is how I want to enjoy fall. So I want to highlight now. We're going to go back in with the OFRA Star Island highlight. It's my favorite highlight, so we're going to use it. I just really like the OFRA highlight formula, if you know what I'm saying. For blush, I'm gonna use my, why is all my makeup just so dirty? I'm gonna use the NYX Ombre blush in Mauve Me. This is very fall face makeup, I feel like. Now that we've done that, let's just quickly do the brows. I'm gonna go in with my Precisely My brow pencil, followed by my 3D brow tones to just make my brows look full and fluffy. I'm getting so much faster at doing my brows, waiting for my coffee to arrive. It says that the guy is 0 minutes away, but I'm pretty sure that they're confused. I'm back. Pumpkin spice latte has arrived. Wow, what is that? Kind of cinnamony, very pumpkin-y, but super sweet. It doesn't even taste like coffee. Not gonna hang around all year to drink this again. I never use eye primer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm gonna stick that on my eyelids. I don't know if there's a way to do it, but I'm gonna use my fingers. My shadow tends to crease sometimes, and I'm wondering if it's primer related, so I figured I'd try it out. Now let's go into some shadows. I'm gonna use this giant Morphe 35H palette. It's super dirty because I spilt my toner on it. Disregard that. Alright, I'm going to dip into this lighter color here, and I'm just gonna put that over my crease. Now I'm going to this shade here. that same shade underneath my eye as well because let's do another color. It just does not get any better. I'm gonna go over the top of that with this here. I want it to be a little bit more plum. Do a shimmery one. I'm gonna go in with this copper color on the inside. I want to go in that inner corner and brighten it just a little with this shade here. Fall, I think, super deep. Want to deepen up this outer corner. So I'm going to go in with this brown color. Kind of shiny. Feel like I've gotten somewhere with this. I'm gonna blend this out with a clean brush. I'm gonna quickly go do liner and lashes. I'm gonna use a black liner, then some lashes. See you in a sec. Wow, that was a journey. The lashes didn't want to go on, probably because I'm really impatient and tried to put them on when the glue hadn't dried, so totally my fault. That part's going on the floor because it's huge. Full. What a good time. Lips, 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 then we can be done. Woo! I think I might use this Top Shelf by OFRA. It's a flexi stick. This is everything I've wanted in a lip color for fall. Setting spray. I really need this to last because of fall. This is it. Fall ready. This is ticking the boxes of all my fall dreams, so I'm pretty happy with this. If you like the video, give me a like down below. Follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. I'm gonna go do some more fall related things. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. I'm gonna go. Bye.